What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got this 2008 Honda Civic 1.8 liter. We're gonna change the cabin filter. The part number is 3047 PTC. That's the brand. So that's the cabin filter. And then we got an engine air filter. We're gonna change them both. The part number on this is same brand. The part number is PA5653. Let's see. He said he never changed his cabin filter, but let's see if he did or not. Let's take the camera in. All right, let's pop the hood open. And this is where the little guy is. So what I like to do is, I like to remove these clips. Yeah, you know what, let's leave them in there. Pop this, there's one more back there. 3 retainers, and oh, one more, 4. You should be able to pull this guy out. Very simple. Take this filter out. Oh yeah, it's filled up. All right, so the new filter, make sure there's no dirt debris in here. If you have dirt debris in there, you might want to vacuum that out. But this looks pretty good. And here's our new filter, so you can't go wrong. It has a little corner to it. You don't want to get any dirt debris on this mass airflow sensor. If you want to clean it, you can blow some cleaner on top of that. But here goes nothing. This goes in. All right, pop this in. Clip, clip, and clip. That's how simple it was to change air filter, engine air filter. Now we're gonna go inside and we're gonna remove the engine filter. But let me show you the cabin filter we have here. Let's put this up here. All right, so now we're inside. We're gonna open that glove box. All you're gonna do is you're gonna push here. See that little guy? Same thing on both sides. If you have 2 hands and you're able to use 2 hands, it's okay. The manuals can fall. And inside, this is where your AC and heat, everything goes through here. So there's the filter. All the stuff is in there. All right, let's take this out of there. And let that fall there. And I like to clean this little guy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place this right here, and I'm gonna go get the cabin filter. Okay, got my cabin filter, and you see there's arrows there. You're gonna follow those arrows, and you're gonna put it in the same direction as that little guy. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this thing. This has to be stuck on the edges here, the corners. Let me show you. See this? It goes between those little guys. There's one on each side. That's how it prevents any air from escaping. Once you have it flush, you're good. Come on. There you go. Looking good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little guy and doing this with the car off, okay? This goes simply in there, and your whole tray slides right in. It's gonna get a little bit stiffer once it's at the end, and click, and both sides should click. After that, lift up your glove box and stick it right in there. Bada bing, bada boom, you're all done and you're all set. That's how you're gonna replace the cabin filter and close that up. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Simple, 10 minutes can save you about good $60-70 going to the dealer.